Hello everyone, Mom's here, and it's the first video I try to record by myself. It will be a flower, and there are some pieces like this from this classic. I would prefer to have the green ones, pieces like this, but I don't have them of green color, so I will take what I have and beginning to work. You may use any pieces you want as a middle of the flower. It will be some abstract flower, like fantasy or something. You may use any color of the pieces you have. Any amount of pieces you have. I need to turn them so they are. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And the green one. If you got some botanical collection sets, I think the leaves would be better to use from those. And something like this. So we've got a pretty abstract, wonderful, amazing light blue flower. Have a nice building day.